Good morning, guys. In front of me is CUBOT KingKong 3, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. As you can see now, we've got one language. To change it, tap on settings icon, select languages, and go to add language. Now choose the one that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or in search area, you can provide the language that you want to apply. Maybe not this one. The letters here are very small, so scrolling is a better option. Okay, so let me pick Chinese, tap on done. And now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary language. But at first, let me show you how it works with 2 or more languages. Just go back, and here you will notice word icon. So just tap on it to change keyboard language. Once you have one language only, so let's go back to languages and remove unnecessary one. To delete it, tap on edit icon, mark the language to delete and tap on bin. And now, with one language only, you will not notice this word icon and you will be able to use it smoothly here. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.